processed cheese. Processed cheese, also known as cheese product or cheese food, is a popular choice for its affordability, long shelf life, and melting capabilities. However, the manufacturing process and ingredients used in its creation may make you reconsider your next grilled cheese sandwich. Processed cheese begins with a base of real cheese made from dairy products. The cheese is then melted and combined with emulsifiers, stabilizers, preservatives, and other additives to create a homogeneous mixture. Some of the most common additives in processed cheese include sodium phosphate, which acts as an emulsifying agent, and sodium citrate, which helps maintain the smooth texture. Artificial colors are also added to give the cheese a consistent, visually appealing hue. Once mixed, the cheese is pasteurized to extend its shelf life further, and then poured into molds or processed into slices, blocks, or other forms. The addition of emulsifiers, stabilizers, and artificial colors means that processed cheese often contains a significantly lower percentage of real cheese than its natural counterparts. Moreover, the high sodium content and presence of additives can contribute to a variety of health concerns, such as increased blood pressure and potential allergic reactions. In addition to health issues, the environmental impact of dairy farming, including high water usage and greenhouse gas emissions, is another reason to reconsider processed cheese consumption. Consumers seeking a more wholesome and eco-friendly alternative might opt for natural cheese from sustainable sources or plant-based alternatives.